everybody, welcome to another weekend. I hope you had a fantastic week wherever you are. This week we spoke about the different kinds of point of view or POV that are used in fiction. I will link to that down below, and I'll also put it right here. For this week's challenge, I thought we could practice writing the same thing using two different POV types. So here goes. Write a paragraph that includes some kind of action. It could be anything, a paragraph from a story you're working on, or perhaps something that happened to you this week. Write your piece either in first person or third person limited POV, these being the two most common POV types that are used in fiction. When you're done, rewrite the paragraph, but from the other POV. So if you wrote in first person, rewrite in third person limited and vice versa. You will discover that switching POVs involves a lot more than just changing the pronouns. You may be surprised at how different your rewrite will be to your original paragraph. Have fun with this and come back on Monday for next week's writing tips. Have a great weekend. Bye!